What is up, guys? Today we're gonna play Puzzles Nuts, and it's Saturday, guys. There needs new update. Let's see, admin abuses happening, not at all at the same time. We time.
Yeah, but
Okay, time is time. Anyways, we got a new update, new rebirths. I'm still working out in the rebirths. We get new brain rot platforms, so we can put more brain rots. As you can see, I got all these array collections and collections. I will get more in my second admin piece because of like the 11 o'clock or so. Yeah. So anyways, let's check out the new update. So we go in. There's two parts in this. There are two prizes. One, the new mutation at Abomination. Yes. If
let
you
me
want
see
to
it.
look
Yeah,
how it looks, I'm gonna show you like maybe amp up carrot. It looks normal. Look, you see, just it looks buff. Looks like he has haki in him, like haki. Anyways, here's abomination mutation. Messed up, right? Yeah, that's what happens. Okay. But anyways, I'm on the 24 to 25. We trying to get the new seed. We're just gonna plug one for now. We just want to see what it does. Okay. How much damage and so. Anyways, we plug our last seed at the mod. Let's go. We got a new framework. Is the new framework, which is this Rana synthesis. I don't know, guys. Guys, if you know how to pronounce this word, it's like. Anyways, I got a new Helix Xeno seed, which normally grows for 20 minutes, but we're gonna take this for another turn. We're gonna use this machine. Yes, this machine to. Oh wait, I'm getting it now. Now it's getting a abomination again. That's how it's like twisted so that I don't. Anyways, we'll see what this does. It says the fire, direction, sound, tiny channels, getting more damage. Okay. That will be probably useful in other times, but anyways, I'm gonna release it because. What are you watching, Hakim?
I'm seeing the difference between Hawkeye and Green Arrow.
Oh, okay. Oh, but anyways,
Yeah.
make sure you like, subscribe, and just give me a minute real quick. Anyways, we're back, and the tomato is done growing terribly. Like, damn, look at how it looks.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyways, let's do this. Let's put the next new seed. So we get near frozen diamond. Sorry, my bad, guys. It was just the code that was glitching. So, but yeah, just hopefully we get something good.
So yeah.
I mean, so far it looks like something good is happening. It doesn't look like messed up. It doesn't look like abomination. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. Yeah, but we can test out the gun. So I'm gonna shoot this guy. Boom, he's small. I'm like, yeah, teeny tiny man. But yes, yes, on the index are the mutations. Oh, finally they tell you, they can tell you what mutations give what. Oh, okay. So okay. Also, Phil, Abomination is basically is a 1.5 times 7.5, and all the way to here is a 5.5. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so it tells us what the mutations combine with what. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's new. But yeah, brain out of the week. It's gotta be this Uran Uranori yes. Very nice pronunciation, my gladness. Then I'm gonna pronounce the mutations of the course, okay? Schools and stuff, okay? Well, yeah, right. Also got I might do my garden. I wanna show you the guys of okay. Inventory actually full. Hello, excuse me. Let me start my notes. Well up.
And guys, maybe we might do another giveaway next year. I
What?
mean this year. I think we might do another giveaway this year.
Hmm. We could, I feel like we should do that. Yeah.
I will also do it next this year.
Okay, do you wanna go for speed date or what?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
You want to choose a day when we must do it?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, now.
Okay.
Like we will do it now. How about again? Because we need to get a good brain rot. You see, good brain rot and good plants.
Let's see. My inventory is still
Oh,
full. Nah, bro.
Jane, how about this? Since it's holiday, how about in each holiday? Like in each holiday. Like holiday one from
Hmm.
1 to 4.
I don't know about that, but I think.
Every holidays we do it. School holidays like that. You see, and then on the way to school we get prepared for it. We're getting good stuff. And we save the best stuff by happening to like we have good stuff and we
Um,
take it for us and the other good stuff that we used to have, we give it to the people.
oh, okay, but yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, the buff spinner Ritos, guys, the guys probably want to see some of it. So here you go. Here's one of them. So I'm gonna show all of them to see how far we in the video. Okay, 8 minutes. You got my favorite one. Favorite one is that one. Seems like they like to add some new stuff to the game. You're not gonna lie, these new stuff are actually helping us. Okay. Yeah. I got another Frozen movie. Okay, with that. Okay, let's make it. I want to show the double mutation ones, and this one we got that one. I might delete some of these stuff later. Oh yeah, we also got this one. I don't think it's supposed to be stored in there. Oh, when is the next holiday in any case? Like if we don't know, if we don't know before it's we're only gonna know if it's too late. Too late for that. Anyways, let's see if we got it. Oh wait. Oh, that looks sick, bruh. Now, Oh, that looks sick. 15,000, not bad. Such a plant. How much kilograms? 2.1. Okay, take this. If there was no size, it would have been off, but it's fine.
So far, so good, yeah.
That's an absolute king over there.
True.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we got a lot of buffs in it. Reapers. I'm gonna pick up all my plants because I'm not spawn back my. Okay, I wasn't gonna pick up all my. Okay, loud. Yeah, all my plants are back. Hallelujah. And yeah, you try to grind as much as possible in this terms. It does give you like B gun and also the B launcher and also the time warp thingy, which I will show you. Okay, I'll show you. That guys, there's a Tim portal. Yeah, it's this thing. Okay, don't have too much. Don't have much because I just started this. Thing. Did you see that much? But anyways, if I throw this here, look how slow it goes. Dang, it's slow. It lasts for like I don't know, 6 or 7 seconds. Seriously. Anyways, yeah, and that's it for this new update. And yeah, I'm gonna be begging people for a smug wallet so I can reverse. Then my money will be gone. So anyways, guys, see ya in the next episode. Peace.
Yep.